Aniocha-Oshimili bani umune mono no bodo yibo wase mutibe guno te gwada fu ya nenu Aniocha-Oshimili o mekenu nu umune no na vusti teza so mekenu nu umune mo mekenu no ne kene kene be kobli gbe iwe bi wani wa mono waji no ja musha wole pome.
Oh, that's the matron of the health center.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, sister.
How do you feel about this latest developments?
In fact, I'm so excited, so happy with what I'm seeing right now. That the health center has been transformed.
Wow, really
In fact,
transformed.
when I came here years back, in fact, it was just like that. Then I came back again. This time,
Yes, they really
maybe
changed it.
government remember us by renovating, and now community said we must do more. Through Issele Okodi. But he came to me how many 3-4 days ago, very proud of these things, and I passed the comment and said nobody is helping us, nobody is representing Issele as our health center at the local government.
na Nigeria, you know,